Hi, in this video I will show you how to knit an asymmetrical toe-up toe. This toe is asymmetrical since it has a small curve on the left side, which then turns into a straight line. Depending on your foot shape, this might make your socks fit better around your big toe. Since we will use Judy's Magic Cast On, you need a circular needle to cast on. If you prefer to change to DPNs after the cast on, you also need a set of DPNs. First, use Judy's Magic Cast On to cast on 20 stitches. I have another video about Judy's Magic Cast On if you want to see the cast on in more detail. Wrap the tail around the working yarn and pull out the bottom needle. Now knit across the first needle. Switch to the second needle. On the second needle, knit the first stitch and then knit the rest of the stitches through the back loop. Due to the cast on, they are mounted incorrectly, and knitting them through the back loop will correct that. In the next round, we start to increase. At this point, I switch to DPNs. Knit a stitch, then work a KFB increase. Knit until you get to the last 2 stitches of the first half. Work a KFB increase and knit the last stitch. Repeat the same thing for the second half. So knit a stitch, then work a KFB increase. Knit until you get to the last 2 stitches of the round. Work a KFB increase and knit the last stitch. Repeat this round 6 more times. After that, you should have 48 stitches in total. My goal is to end up with 64 stitches in total. If you are knitting with a different amount of stitches, I have put suggestions on how often to repeat this round in the video description below. Now that I have 48 stitches in total, I will only continue to increase on one side and I will only increase in every other round. So first knit one round. In the second round, knit until you get to the last 2 stitches of the first half. Work a KFB increase and knit the last stitch. Knit the first stitch of the second half and then work a KFB increase. Knit the rest of the round. Repeat the last 2 rounds until you are up to 64 stitches in total. Since the toe is asymmetrical, you will need to place these increases on the other side of the round when you are knitting the second sock. So instead of increasing before and after the middle of the round, you will have to increase after and before the beginning of the round. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.